Network programming allows computers to communicate over a network. With Python, it's super easy. First, we need the socket library. It helps us create connections. You can add it with import socket. Next, we create a socket with my_socket equals socket.socket open parenthesis socket.af underscore inet comma socket.sock underscore stream close parenthesis. To connect to a server, use my_socket.connect open parenthesis single quote example.com single quote comma 80 close parenthesis. This connects to a website. To send data, type my_socket.send open parenthesis b single quote get space / space http /1.1 /r/n host space example.com /r/n/r/n single quote close parenthesis. This requests a web page, and to get the response, use response equals my_socket.recipe open parenthesis 4096 close parenthesis. This gets up to 4096 bytes of data. And that's a quick intro to network programming with Python. Like and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.